Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another website you can claim your free cryptocurrency from. That website is very easy working for it's easy to work, okay, and you can earn for cryptocurrency from that website. And this is the website. This website link available in description. Click the link and can you register yourself. The registration is very easy. Put your username, password, confirm password and email, just solve the capture. Okay, I have already an account, just I click login to show you how you can work in this website. Okay, now you can see this is very easy to work, okay, and pay you 5 Satoshi every 30 minutes. This is just BTC. You can claim any faucet you want. Just so you want to claim Litecoin, just click Litecoin. This much Litecoin pay you every 5 minutes. If you want ethereum, if you want Bitcoin Cash, this all available in here. Just you want to claim Litecoin, just clicking Litecoin. It's very easy. Just click I'm not robot and click Planet 3. Just click Planet 3. Just click come here next. Okay, verify your claim. Wait few seconds. This is let the capture. Just click this one. Okay, that's great. Just click claim. Okay, your claim this much Litecoin I claim. Okay, you can now claim your free ethereum too from here too. You can claim all for cryptocurrency instantly in here. The next one is the Ptc Ads. Okay, right now is a 6 Ptc Ads available. Okay, and you can see the Ptc Ads. Bitcoin didn't have Ptc Ads. Bitcoin Cash have Ptc Ads. Okay, you can just click view, watch this ads, and you can make 32 beats Bitcoin Cash. Okay, Satoshi. Just click it and come back, and you can see the timer is on right now. And in here didn't okay, this is didn't show you in the top, show you. Just come here, stay in this website until the finishing. Didn't show in here, just show in the top. Okay, and wait a few seconds. Okay, it's finished, and solve the capture and just click submit. Okay, you can earn this much. Okay, and then refresh the page, and all you just click again in here and you can view another one too. Okay, and the next one is ethereum too, and in here this is some questions how you can withdraw your cryptocurrency, how you can earn. This is all tips and tricks that you can instantly earn from this website and easily make a withdrawal from this website too. Okay, and I share with you the account. Right now this is my account. If you want to withdraw some cryptocurrency, which one you want to withdraw, just I want to withdraw Litecoin. Okay, in the Faucet pay is the minimum withdrawal is this much. Okay, in the Faucet pay this is the minimum withdrawal. Okay, any withdrawal will be sent to Faucetspin. This is the minimum withdrawal. This is very easy to reach. If you want to withdraw any cryptocurrency you want, just you want to withdraw Bitcoin, this is the minimum withdrawal. Okay, and any withdrawal you want, you can go. The next one is affiliate. You can share your link. This is your link. Share your link and earn 20% of the commission. Other people come here and work in here. This is very easy. Every time you come here, claim all of this cryptocurrency. After that and you will be make much more cryptocurrency from here. Okay, right now you can see after 2 minutes I can claim this again. Okay, I'll share with you one thing how you can earn much more from here. If I use calculate and calculate the Satoshi, okay, every 5 minutes. If I work 1 hour, 1 hour is 60 minutes, equal to 5. this I can claim 12 times, and every time this website pay me this much, I earn this much. If I work 10 hours, okay, I easily make this much Litecoin Satoshi. Not just Litecoin, you can make all of these just in 1 hour, 10 hours working in this website. Okay, just work for 1 day, this website pay you 100%. If I reach in the minimum amount, I will share with you the withdrawal proof. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Bye bye for now.